How to fix Outlook error code 339-981-1147 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update Outlook. Running outdated software can lead to compatibility issues, including error 339-981-1147. Keeping both Outlook and Windows updated ensures access to the latest fixes. Fix 3. Clear Outlook cached credentials. Locate and remove any stored credentials related to Microsoft Outlook or Office 365. Restart your computer. Try to log in again. Fix 4. Restart the Web Account Manager, WAM. The Web Account Manager, WAM, handles sign-ins for apps like Outlook. If it is misconfigured or corrupted, Outlook may struggle to verify your account, leading to error 339-981-1147. If that didn't work, add-ins can interfere with Outlook's functionality, leading to errors like 339-981-1147. Disabling them ensures that Outlook runs without conflicts. Corrupted Office files can affect Outlook's performance and cause error. Repairing the Office installation helps fix these underlying issues.